So condensed glue gels, I hope I say it right. If not, just let me know. Again, just enough, not too thick, not too thin. All right, this is condensed glue gels going to be holding your crystal good up between 3 to 6 weeks. Floating the top on the top of the unclear condensed glue gel using is Glitz No Wipe top coat, and you can see now it's nice and smooth now. And then we are going to do another design. I'm so in love with that. Oh, that one is really cool though. I'm gonna add this one right here. Is a radiant green. I'm going to add some SS12, SS10. So when you're doing it, if for all of you who are doing for the clients, or if you're doing it for yourselves, one thing you're doing it for the clients, so you are doing it to one centerpiece, and then you can add beads on it. And I usually start with a centerpiece first, and then you're using all a little is different sizes of crystal frame and charms around with yours. Now place a couple more right there. And I'm going to add some beads on. Thank you so much everyone for tuning in. I can't wait to see your beautiful creation, and thanks so much for the love and support. If you have any questions for the new crystal kits, don't hesitate to let us know. Our team will be so happy to assist you. And you can add 1 or 2 beads. You can do like more than 1 beads. You don't have to stay with just 1 bead. You can do 2 or 3 on the nails. This is using only just solid colors, and you know, when we finish with the 4 designs, we're gonna come back with, of course, another 4 designs using neon crystal as well, incorporate with the chamfer foil, so I can show you a $15 nail arts for all of you who doing your beautiful nails at home. This is going to be a great idea for you to create and to incorporate with other designs. And then also one thing is really cool is the perfect about condensed glue gel. You see that I can adjusting the crystals along with anything else before I am going to cure it, to make sure they're all even. There you go. You're happy with this? We are going to place it under LED lights and cure for 60 seconds. Oh, I'm so into this one. So simple. Hold on, one more. I think I'm gonna do 1 more beads right here. You will never go wrong with all those beads and frame. This bead that doesn't want to come off. There you go. And it's great that you can drop the beads right there and using your other ends of your pickers, like crystal pickers, and tuck it in. Now adjusting right here. Thank you everyone for tuning in. I hope you have a fabulous Friday. All right, here for 60 seconds.